So guys, January 19th and 20th, we have the foundation. What is foundation? That is, we offer that twice a year through Peds-A-Palooza Community Conferences and Survival Strategies. We offer a foundation. It's like what we think that you need. It's kind of like pouring, getting the rebar and then pouring the concrete so that you have a stable foundation to build the rest of your practice on. That's what foundation is. So we know, because we listen, because you guys have told us that these are absolutely the things that you need to stabilize your practice and give you some know-how in basic chunkity nuggets, right? The Strategize to Maximize is the first day. That's a goal setting workshop. Oh my gosh. Guys, okay, it's not the most exciting thing, okay? It's not goal setting like I want to hire 10 people, I want to paint the foyer this color or that color. It is 100% the numbers you need to track for the entire year. The people that come year, and we thought this was a one and done. We were going to do it one time during 2020 and I never think we'd do it again. Guess what? It just kept coming back and back and back by popular demand. So now we're doing it in January 19 and 20. What's on the second day is Diane's own ladders program. Guys, if you want to retain people, it is all about giving them a place to go. See, the really key workers, the really key people that you want to find and keep are people that want to grow somewhere in your company. If you don't give them that and they're your A+ people, they're going to go find an A+ place to work where they have that put in. So this is your armor, this is your strong suit on how you're going to retain some of the best people out there. And then we have, oh my gosh, we had 200 people on this one the last time. We have the insurance negotiation on the 20th. That's part 2 of the Saturday. And yes, you can. Yes, you can negotiate insurance. We have people doing it all the time. We offer this twice a year. That's how popular it is. Guys, it's dirt cheap. It's like we're giving it away. You need to be on that. And believe it or not, even though this is virtual, we have to move on to the next event. So it does sell out. Like, it does have an end point of when we get like, okay, we need to move on to the next thing. So I need you to think with that. That is January 19 and 20 virtual. It is, we've got a discount if you buy all 3. You could buy one, you could do it a la carte. We don't like to box you in. So if you want to do one, great. Sometimes an owner comes and they attend all 3 and then they bring the appropriate person for the insurance negotiation and the appropriate person for the goal setting and the appropriate person for the ladders, right? Not everybody in your staff is going to be right for all those. Guys, this will have a close date and we don't know when that is. It's when we need to start ramping up for the next event. So make sure you get your tickets, make sure you get your front row seat. I'm being facetious, we know it's virtual, but you do want to be there, okay? Come join the fun and come join the know-how. That's the main thing I want for you, especially for 2024. Get the know-how, and it starts by clicking the link below.